Here we have a room tour of 14310 here on board Icon of the Seas. Tap your card.
300.
Oh,
I'm trying to make it
scary. Anyways, on the back of the door, I won't lock her out. But back of the door, general safety information, F4 on deck 5, which is the port side of the dining room. So on the left-hand side, deck 4 in the back dining room. All of your emergency information, life jackets, all of that, that'll be provided for you whenever you get to your muster station in the case of an emergency. Anyways, into the room. This is all touchscreen. You can control the lighting. It looks, whoa, okay, so I'm kind of experiencing this for the first time myself here, guys. But this dims the light, watch. And then tap. And there it goes, we're brighter. Wow, that's actually really neat. That's the bathroom there, we'll get there in a minute. Here's your actual lights. Then you got different lighting settings, temperatures, of course. Big mirror, nice, Wonder of the Seas, wrong ship, but we're here on Icon. Now we have the main closet, coat hangers. So the safe is apparently hidden on this ship. Apparently it's in this, nope, it's not. Just kidding, I thought it was in this. We have a small time skip in this room tour, but this little thing here. So this is the very last night of the cruise. I'm literally started packing my stuff and this is how we found it. But that little box there is the safe, but it doesn't open in there. Day 7 of the cruise, pull on the mirror. Pull on this mirror, also ignore my sunburn, but pull on the mirror. There's your safe. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shelves. Anyways, back to the rest of it. Never mind. But anyways, pretty tall thing here. And then here we have more hangers, pretty large closet. We even have some bins. Ooh, I didn't like that sound. We have 4 bins. Oof. Okay. Here we go. We have some of the lights again by the bed. Did I turn the lights off completely in here? We did. Okay. So, nice that we have a USB. Off, on. We also have a switch here for the overall lights in the room. Got a plug. I just stuck my finger in that. Shocking. Then, king size bed, or you can divide them up. My sister and I will be staying in this room, so we're going to be dividing these up. But just tell your stateroom steward to split the beds, and they'll do that for you. Got yourself a phone, whether or not you actually need it, since the Wi-Fi is actually very good on this ship, but you have a phone. And of course, just some extra shelving space down here. Pretty nice. Wow, that's actually a really big TV. This is pretty cool too. You have a couple USBs right there, just in case you need them. And then some shelves, in case you need to charge your phone. One thing that's been very nice about this ship, and of course, even has USB-C ports, which is even more impressive than the USBs, because now, of course, a lot of new technology is converting over to these oval-shaped USB-Cs. So the fact that they have those in here is pretty awesome. So at the desk, you've got yourself a little drawer here, nice sized chair, 3 drawers, another one here, and you got yourself a mini fridge. More switches, European plug, 2 more USBs, and a nice mirror. Got a lamp here with another switch. pretty decent sized couch. I believe this is a 2-person cabin. So typically the 4-person cabins, this 3 or 4, but this should fold out sometimes. I don't think this room does it though. Let's try it. No, that's in there. Ow. It's definitely in there. Anyways, so next up, the balcony. Let's head outside. You do have curtains. They're pretty dark too. And here we go. We got a nice sized table, some loungers or little chairs here. Even have the little footstools. That's awesome. They really thought of everything in these rooms. Here we go. We're in the top row balcony, so we have this little overhang on us here, which is kind of nice to block the shade, honestly. Anyways, we got a beautiful, beautiful view of the Port of Miami and the beautiful city of Miami. We have our natural gas bunker barge down there. Yeah, very large. I'm not gonna lay on the floor here, but it's probably about a good 5-6 feet across, so pretty solid size. And it looks like you get these little doors if you need to. Some ships where you want to open up the dividers, looks like you can open up the piece right here. Anyways, into our last little piece here, in stateroom 14310 here on board Icon of the Seas, is the bathroom. The doors are magnetic, and they're a lot quieter than they are on Wonder of the Seas. They have a loud bang on Wonder of the Seas. These are nice and quiet, but interesting that they have, instead of your typical latch, they have this, still the lock, but instead of an actual latch, these are magnetic, which is kind of neat. You'll only see that on Wonder and now Icon. Here you go. Toilet, a couple shelves. Interesting place to put shelves, but I like it. Good size shower. 2 more wall plugs, cups, shelves, shower. The door kind of swings inward like that to save space, which is always great. You can take out somebody's kneecaps if they're trying to poop. Good stuff. Actually, this is a good size set. Oh, you got a bench. We can chill inside the shower. Good stuff. Take your feet out. Pretty awesome. Pretty good sized shower, actually. You just don't have a lot of... You're gonna have to stand sideways a lot, but pretty good sized shower. You don't really have much elbow room like this, but if you're like this, you're solid. Anyways, so here we go. Again, standard toilet with the... There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And anyways, that is our stateroom tour of stateroom 14310, a balcony stateroom here on board Icon of the Seas. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe down below as we have a full walkthrough tour of this huge ship, the world's largest cruise ship, Icon of the Seas. We'll have that finished. That'll be our next video out. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.